Hello, we are looking at SEHYOG paper year 5 for perimeter and area. In number 30, a cube has a volume of 729 millimeter cube. What is the length of one side? So, we know that when we multiply side with itself 3 times, we get the volume. So, what number multiplied with itself, again multiplied with itself, gives us 729? If we try to find out, we see that 9 times 9 times 9 is 729, which means that the cube is of side 9 millimeters because the volume is in millimeters cube. So, 9 millimeter is our answer. In question number 29, a box in the shape of a cuboid has a length of 5 cm, a width of 3 cm and a height of 4 cm. So, find the total surface area. We take a cuboid. The front and the back area is length times height. Two faces of length times height. So, 2 times length times height. Again, left hand side and right hand side have the same area of width times height, that is also 2 faces, so 2 times. Finally, the ceiling and the floor, each of area length times width, so 2 times length times width for 2 faces of that area. The total surface area we will find out by putting the values of length, width and height. So, 2 times 5 times 3 plus 2 times 5 times 4 plus 2 times 3 times 4. So, we get the total surface area, that is 94 centimeter square. That is the answer. In question number 28, the area of a trapezium with parallel sides 2.6 meter and 6.4 meter long respectively and height 1.4 meter. To find the area. So, area of a trapezium is sum of parallel sides times height divided by 2, which means half of 2.6 plus 6.4 and the sum multiplied by 1.4. So, let us calculate half of 1.4 first. Half of 1.4 is 0.7 and 0.7 times 2.6 plus 6.4, which is 9. 9 times 0.7 is 6.3. So, 6.3 meters square for the area. Question number 27. To find the area of the bigger shape, we take length as 15 centimeters and width as 12 centimeters. So, the area is 15 times 12, which is 180 centimeters square. For the shaded portion, length is 12 centimeter and width is 8 centimeter. So, the area is 12 times 8, which is equal to 96 centimeters square. The perimeter of the shaded shape is 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12, which gives us 40 centimeters square. In question number 26, we want to find the perimeter of this shape. We start from one point, moving right hand side 2.5 centimeters, downwards from there 3 centimeters plus moving right hand side. This is a part of the 95 millimeter, that is 9.5 centimeter. So, from 9.5 centimeter we subtract 2.5 centimeter to get this portion. So, we record it as 9.5 minus 2.5. Then from there we come downwards, which is again a part of the total 10 centimeters. So, out of 10 centimeter, the upper part is 3 centimeter. So, the lower part is 10 minus 3, that is 7 centimeter. plus again the base is 95 millimeter. So 95 divided by 10, which is 9.5 centimeter, and adding the 10 centimeter on the left hand side. So for the ones who are having conversion problem, 1 centimeter is made by 10 millimeters. So 95 divided by 10, 9.5 centimeters. Now we add up these sides and we get the perimeter of this shape 39 centimeters. In question number 25, the area of the whole shape has to be found out in centimeters square. So we start with the area of the rectangle. Length is 9 and width is 7. So 9 times 7, 63 centimeters square. The base of this triangle is a little more than 4, so 4.5 centimeter. We take the area of the triangle as base times height by 2. So that is 8 times 4.5 by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and that multiplied by 4.5 gives us 18 centimeters square, which is the area of the triangle. So adding up the two areas, we get the area of the whole shape, that is 81 centimeters square. In question number 24, a carpet 6 meter long and 4.5 meter wide is placed on the floor 8 meter long and 6.5 meter wide. How much of the area is not covered by the carpet? So let us first find the area of the floor by multiplying the length and width of the floor, which is 8 times 6.5, that is equal to 52 meter square. Now finding the area of the carpet, which is equal to 6 times 4.5, the length and width of the carpet, which is equal to 27 meter square. So now to find out the area not covered by the carpet, we subtract the area of the carpet. So 52 minus 27 equal to 25 meter square answer. In number 23, a builder used square tiles to cover a rectangular floor. Each side of the square tile is 10 centimeter and the builder used 900 tiles to cover the floor. So there were 20 tiles along one of the sides. What is the area of the floor covered by the tiles? So let us first find out that what is the area covered by 900 tiles. One tile covers 10 times 10, that is 100 centimeter square area. So area of 900 tiles is 900 times 100, which is 90,000 centimeter square. So this much area is covered by the square tiles. To answer in meter units, centimeter square has to be converted to meter square. Now we know to convert from centimeter to meter, we divide by 100, and since it is a square unit, we have to divide by 100 2 times. So it is divided by 100 times 100, which is 9 meter square, which is our answer. In number 22, the height and width of the shape are in centimeters. The width is doubled and the height is halved. So the width of the shape is 15, which is doubled, and it becomes 30 centimeters. The height of the shape is halved, so half of 10 is 5 centimeters. Which means that to find the new perimeter, we will add up height and width, again height and width. Adding them, we get 70 centimeters. In question number 19, how many cubes of side 2 centimeter each can be packed into a cardboard box of width 4 centimeter, length 6 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. So we will first find out the volume of the cardboard box, which is equal to 4 times 6 times 4, which is 96 centimeter cube. Now we find out the volume of each small cube. So the side of the cube is 2 centimeter. So its volume will be 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8 centimeter cube. Now to find the number of cubes that will fit in, we divide the total volume of the box by the volume of each cube. So 12 cubes will fit. So 12 cubes is our answer. In question number 18, we want to calculate the volume of each of these prisms. So formula is area times length. Area is 5 times 1260 centimeter cube. For part B, area times length, 22 times 5, we get 110 meter cube, which is the volume of the prism. In number 14, we want to find the perimeter of a rectangular piece of paper, which is 3 3/4 centimeter long and 2 1/3 centimeter wide. We want our answer to 2 decimal places. So to find the perimeter, we add up all the boundaries, length plus width plus width. Now by grouping, we want to add them. So adding the like fractions, so 3 plus 3 is 6 and 3/4 plus 3/4 will give us 1 1/2. Again, adding 2 plus 2 we get 4 and adding 1/3 and 1/3 we get 2/3. We can see that there are 6 plus 1 plus 4, 11 wholes and half plus 2/3 fractional part, which gives us more one whole number 1 by 6 parts. So together adding them we get 12 whole number 1 by 6 parts. 1 by 6 is equal to 0.6666. So 12.6666, when we round it up to 2 decimal places, 6 is greater than 5, so we will round it to 7. 12.17 centimeters is the answer. In question number 13, the side of a triangle is 6.5 centimeter. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, so 6.5 times 3, which is the perimeter. So our answer is 19.5 centimeters. Now when we convert it to meters, we divide the centimeters by 100, that gives us 0.195 meters. In question number 11, find the perimeter of a kite with one side 643 mm and other side 455 mm. So here we have a kite. We can see that two sides, again 2 more sides are equal in a kite. So 2 times 455 and 2 times 643. When we calculate this, we get the perimeter of the kite as 2196 millimeters. Question number 10. To work out the area of a circle with radius 7 centimeters, we use the formula pi times r times r. We are taking the value of pi as 22/7 times radius is 7 centimeters, so 7 times 7. Now 1 7 can be reduced with 1 7 in the numerator and denominator. We are left with 22 times 7, which is 154 centimeter square area. In question number 9, we want to find the total surface area of a cube with side 9 centimeter long. So for that, we need to calculate 6 times side square. So 6 times 9 square, that is equal to 6 times 9 times 9. The total surface area comes to be 486 centimeters square. In question number 8, we want to find the length of the batch when the width is 24 millimeters and the area is 864 square millimeters. So the length equal to area divided by the width, that is 864 divided by 24, and that gives us length equal to 36 millimeters, which is our answer. In question number 7, we have to find the area of the triangles. To find that, the formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we can see in 7 part A, base is in centimeters and height is in meters. We convert it to the smaller unit. So meters multiplied by 100 gives us 182 centimeters. and the area of the triangle will be 3 times 182 divided by 2. 182 divided by 2 is 91 times 3 is 273 centimeters square. Again, in 7 part B, the smaller unit out of millimeter and centimeter is millimeter. So we convert centimeter to millimeter by multiplying with a 10. Since there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, so it becomes 800 millimeters. Area equal to 1.3 times 800 divided by 2. So 800 divided by 2 is 400, and 400 multiplied by 1.3 gives us our answer, which is equal to 520 millimeters square. In question number 6, we want to work out the area of the parallelograms. So the area is base times height. So the base is given is 6.1 centimeters. Converting it to millimeters by multiplying with 10, that is 61 millimeters. The area is 61 millimeters times 11 millimeters, which is equal to 671 millimeters square. In part B, we can see that meter is the bigger unit. So converting meter to centimeter, we have 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So multiplying by 100, we have 285 centimeters height. So area equal to 30 times 285 by 2, which gives us 8550 centimeter square. Now since we have to answer in the same unit as height, which is meter, so dividing again 2 times by 100, since we have square units. For area we are using square units, so dividing 2 times by 100,